Otumfo Nyankopon emfa Richmond Lamptey papa no ekra NCAA. Sad news. Na ewe Kumasi Asante Kotoko officially a confirm say Richmond Lamptey papa ode ni tadua epre ne ba wi ase owo no Richmond Lamptey Kumasi Asante Kotoko hard working midfielder ne papa edaya wan sorry. It is quite unfortunate. Like this time we wish Richmond Lamptey all the patience, thoughts and prayers are with him. Otumfo Nyankopon enhyɛ den pa na ontimi go through this times successfully, on passing out successfully. It's not easy. Our thoughts and prayers are with Richmond Lamptey papa no so Otumfo Nyankopon emfa ne kra NCAA. Yes. Muhu say David Oklo Kumasi Asante Kotoko assistant coach ono nso eba screen no so a ono nso information kakra wa ha me dey blogging nyina ma the omni say Ghana Football Association for na charge no charge no, but Richmond Lamptey papa eka baby no Kumasi Asante Kotoko official confirmation or the buy no say Asante Kotoko is deeply saddened by the death of Richmond Lamptey's father, Mr. Ogwamenyi Odamite Lamptey, whose passing occurred last night. The thoughts of everyone associated with the club are with our deputy skipper and his family. So now just a Kumasi Asante Kotoko confirmation by regards to Richmond Lamptey no anopeya 1 hour ago poster Kumasi Asante Kotoko post here or they worship Richmond Lamptey so obeshedin na family ni nyina Richmond Lamptey family ni nyina nso ye mo bia shedin e bompa ya man yesre abotre at this particular time man so obe endio bibia na ne refi na free ni mu tumfo Nyankopon fa papa no ekra NCAA. Amen. David Oklo Kumasi Asante Kotoko assistant coach once na no me twa ne blog be ma about referee Hansen or can be for referee Hansen na no na GFA for no de ababontin so ma charge David Oklo say umbeyi no ho on Wednesday. Yes, fair hearing into umbra no umbeyi no. Say David Oklo has been charged with a breach of section 34(6)(d) of the GFA Ghana Premier League Regulation 2019 for comments made about match official in post-match interview following Asante Kotoko's league game against Heart of Lions. It is alleged that his commentary on the match officials constitute misconduct that bring the name of the game into disrepute. He has until Wednesday 28th, 2024 to respond to the charge. Next is Omaman up to Wednesday 24th. 2028 last day of February no so omra no meyi no ho no mecheche ni nsemu because comments now ye fire referee Hansen ho no na ye comment me we any serious comment bia otumfo Nyankopon e me ente ase ye be pim bia de beba.